In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up Yoast SEO on your WordPress site to improve search engine visibility. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and going to the plugin section. Click on Add New, search for Yoast SEO, then click Install and Activate. Once activated, a new SEO menu will appear in your sidebar. Next, run the configuration wizard by going to SEO, then General and select Configuration Wizard. The wizard will guide you step by step. Define whether your site is a personal blog or an organization. Enter business information like your logo and social links, and choose which content types to index. Decide on author archives, visibility to avoid duplicate content, and optionally enable analytics for insights on performance. Once finished, Yoast SEO is fully set up and ready to help optimize your content for better search rankings. SEO is an ongoing process and Yoast makes it much easier. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.